Are you stressing right now? Oh, look at that face. That's the face of a stressor. Stress. She's trying to print. She's being stressed. Did it come out? You know, come out. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 11 of Vlogmas. Hey guys, so I am about to leave for work. Look at my baby. She's still my baby. Hi. So yes, guys, we are about to leave. Why are we both in red? Oh dear. Merry Christmas, everybody! Happy New Year! Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys a little update on my gift. I got this from my chair today, along with a note. I can't open the note right now because it's gonna make a mess. It has some, like, what do you call those? Sprinkles or whatever you call those on it. But I just say this is pretty cute, and I love teddy bears, so I'm in love with this. Plus, yeah, so plus I stopped by one of my vendors and I bought some stuff. So I bought this for one of my babies, Delissa. She's always stealing mine, so I bought her this cute pink one because she's a girly. And then I bought myself this. Oh my god, this was too cute for me not to get. So if you guys don't know, this is from the movie Home. So right now I have something from the movie from, what do you call that? Lion King. No, I have from Home. And I think that is also from Lion King. I don't even know. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's gonna join them. And then I picked up some socks. And I love socks. So the first one I picked up is this, what's this? Brown and orange. And it has this little bear on it. Excuse me. It has this bear on it. So cute. And at the top it has some flowers with a music note. With a strawberry with heart. The second one I picked up was this one. And it is a stripe with watermelon. And then the last one is this, what's this? Peach or orangish thing. I think that's peach. With this orange drink thing on it. I just thought they were cute, so I picked those up. So yeah, that's my little haul.
Come to take care of things, go dry, you know, true?
Tomorrow's going to be a long vlog.
Why?
You have practice with us, you have practice with your boring people, you have practice with, you have cleaning with me.
So not necessarily, but yeah. Anyways, guys, we're eating pear. You want some? Lime.
I don't see no bullet. I don't see no bullet.
So, you finding something?
food.
Alright guys, so I did show you guys where I went into the supermarket and I bought this. So I bought the green, but my sister has a gold and a silver. I think I'll be using the gold, and I'm gonna attempt to do this. So the green part is part I'm gonna cut out, and the bell. Then I have a little fabric thing I'm going to use to do that part. So let's draw some leaves. Alright guys, I finished with my little wall decor. This I'll be putting up somewhere on one of these walls. So I'll be using sticky tape to put them up and arrange them. So yeah, this is the finished bell. Comment down below if it actually looks near to it. I know this was supposed to be on this side, but because I had to draw on the back, that's why it ended up being this side. So yeah, I like it. So